So, Feather Family has released the new Sandpiper. So let's try this new Sandpiper out. So I already bought the Sandpiper before, and I never got to play as it. I only just got to unlock it. So the Sandpiper costs 25 feathers, and now I have 3,560 feathers. Look at all these birds that I've gotten. Although some of the birds I haven't gotten yet, like the prehistoric birds, but I got some of them. And of course I got the skeleton. It's really good. So let's try out this new Sandpiper. So there's a Western and there's a Timberdoodle. So let's try out the Western one. Oh my god, this looks so good. I love these. I love when Shiny Griffin makes new birds. They're just amazing. Okay. Aww. Okay, I'm just gonna get this crab out of my way. Oh, it walks so cutely. Look at this. What happens when it runs? Wait, I have to do this. This is the ASMR bird. What does it look like when it flies? Oh, it's cute. That is really cute. I love that. Does it glide? Oh no, it's just one of those fly down ones. These are so cute. And let's see what its call looks like. Aw, it's sit, it's eat, it's hurt. Aw, it looks like a hummingbird kind of. It's display. Oh, that's cute. It's preen, size, of course, and it's fly. We already know what its fly looks like, and it's so cute. The Western Sandpiper looks so adorable. I love it. So let's reset ourselves and be the Timberdoodle. The Timberdoodle Sandpiper. So this Sandpiper is less like a hummingbird. It's more chonky, but it's actually in a cute way. It's chonky. It's a chonky in a cute way. Yeah. So let's be this burb and let's see what it looks like. Okay, we're here. Oh, what the heck? Oh, they're trying out the Sandpiper too. Cute. So this is how it walks. Oh, it goes like a posing. It's like And what does it run? What does its run look like? Oh, it's the same exact thing. It's like Okay, this looks actually really good. Now, what does its fly look like? Aww, it's so cute. He flies really cutely. I love this. Now, let's go and see what its features look like. So let's see its call. Oh, it's definitely different. It sounds like a frog croaking. Okay, sit, eat, hurt, displayed. That's actually kind of funny. And preen, eyes, and we already know what the fly looks like, which looks like this. Wait, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a barrel roll before I end this video. Oh, it doesn't work on this bird. Hold on. Wait, hold on. I gotta start flying and then. Oh, it normally works on bigger birds. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I normally do this thing called barrel rolls, where let's be an eagle for exact. Where's the eagle? Okay, here's the eagle. We're gonna be a bald eagle because we normally do that. And we're gonna go and do eagle barrel roll. We call it the barrel roll, where we start flying and then we just barrel roll all over the place. So let's just fly to somewhere where we won't. So let's go barrel rolling. Oh, whoops, that was wrong. Barrel roll. Barrel roll! Oh, come on. Barrel roll! Oh, I kind of did it. Ah, there we go. Barrel roll! That's the funny thing that we do with most of the big birds. I want to see if we can try do barrel rolling with Game Pass birds. Let's see. I think I remember once doing a barrel roll with a periton. So let's try the periton and yeah. Okay, we're in the graveyard. Let's try and do a barrel roll with the periton. Oh, I forgot. It goes straight up into the air. Okay. Ah, it goes straight up into the air when it flies. Ah, shoot. Well, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my first feather family video, actually, in the newest update, the Sandpiper. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.